Title: Banish Oily Skin Woes, 3 DIY Packs for a Natural Glow. Struggling with oily skin can be a real challenge, but fear not. With a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you can whip up homemade packs that'll leave your skin glowing and oil-free. Here are 3 effective DIY packs to try. 1. Clay Mask Magic. Ingredients: bentonite clay, apple cider vinegar. Directions: mix equal parts bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar to form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. How it works: bentonite clay helps absorb excess oil and unclog pores, while apple cider vinegar balances the skin's pH level and fights acne-causing bacteria. 2. Cooling Cucumber Delight. Ingredients: cucumber, yogurt. Directions: peel and chop a cucumber, then blend it to a smooth consistency. Mix the cucumber puree with plain yogurt to create a refreshing paste. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with cold water to tighten pores and soothe the skin. How it works: cucumber has astringent properties that help control oil production, while yogurt gently exfoliates and moisturizes, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 3. Zesty Lemon and Honey Glow. Ingredients: lemon juice, honey. Directions: mix equal parts fresh lemon juice and honey in a bowl. Apply the mixture to your face, focusing on oily areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. How it works: lemon juice acts as a natural astringent, tightening pores and reducing oiliness, while honey moisturizes and nourishes the skin, giving it a radiant glow. Remember to patch test any new ingredients before applying them to your face, especially if you have sensitive skin. Incorporate these DIY packs into your skincare routine regularly for best results, and say goodbye to oily skin woes.